Hi everyone, it's Femi here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you one of the most powerful features in Exness terminal, which is called one-click trading. I'm going to walk you through the entire platform so you can understand exactly how it works. Now, this video is for you if you're a trader who gets frustrated by slow execution of your trades on different platforms, because this is what this platform is solving. So I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how you can go about it on Exness terminal. So that being said, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go straight to the point. Now, as you can see right here on the screen, this is the Exness terminal page where you can easily carry out your trade and where you can use the one-click trading feature on Exness. Now, how do you get to this page? Let me show you. Now, the first thing you need to do to get to this page is to click on the link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment of this video to create an account on Exness. Now, once you click on the link in the description below, it will bring you right here to this page where you can either register or sign in. So if you're a new user, just click on register right here. And then once you get to this page where you have to create an account, just go ahead and enter your details and come here to enter the partner code. So where you have this partner code right here, just enter the code you are seeing on the screen. I also put it in the comment section below. So just go ahead and put it right there and click on register. Now, once you register and create your account, you will see this page right here on the screen. This is how the home page or the platform will look like once you log in into your account. So you can see right here, this is my trading account. I currently have a balance of $325 right here. And then right here on the left side of the screen are the menus you have right here on the Exness page. Now, how do you now go ahead and get to the Exness terminal page? Now, you can see right here on the left side of the screen, you have Exness terminal right here where my cursor is. So just go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, it will bring you right here to the Exness terminal trading page. So this is the terminal page, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to carry out your trades. But before I go ahead and show you how to carry out your trades right here, what exactly is this Exness terminal all about? Because a lot of people don't understand what it is all about. Now, Exness terminal is an all-in-one trading platform, and it is built for traders who want speed, traders who want control, and traders who want simplicity. Now, let me explain better. Now, let's say, for example, you are doing your analysis on a pair. So let's say this is currently XAU USD. This is gold. So let's say, for example, you are doing your analysis on this right now, and all of a sudden you see a perfect entry where you want to enter your trade. Now, in that situation, you want to be able to enter the trade instantly at that perfect entry. That's what you want. But on some other platforms out there, when you want to enter the trade, maybe you click on buy or sell, they will still ask you to confirm the trade. And after that, they will still ask you to even confirm your take profit, your stop loss, and all of those details. Now, between the time where you see that perfect entry and when you are confirming all of these details on those platforms, the price might have gone away from that perfect entry where you want to enter your trade, and you might have lost some opportunities right there. But on this Exness terminal, it is different. On Exness terminal, once you see a perfect entry, you can go ahead and click on buy or sell right here, and to enter the trade for you instantly at that particular entry point or that particular price where you want to enter your trade. So that's why I said it is built for traders who want speed, who want control, and also simplicity. So with that being said, let's just go straight to the point and let me take you through how to use this Exness terminal. Now, as you can see right here at the top of the screen, you have some pairs here. You have XAU USD, you have BTC, you have USO, you have EUR USD. So let's, for example, you want to add more pairs to this top where you can easily just click on them and do your analysis. Just come here and click on this plus button. Once you click on that, just search for any pair of your choice. So if it's that you want to search for stocks, you can see stocks right here. Just come here and search for it. If it's that you want to search for, let's say, Forex, just come here, click on majors, and then you can see the different ones you have. So let's say you want to add USD JPY, you can simply add it. So if I click on it right there, so you can see it has been added here. So I can just simply come here anytime. I click on it and it will show me the chart, and I can easily carry out the trade right here at the right corner of the screen. So you can do it for any pair of your choice right here. And aside from this part right here, if you want to see all the instruments that you can trade, just come here to the left side of the screen where you have this icon. You can see instrument. Just click on that. And once you click on it, you can see the different pairs that you have. So you can see where you have these majors. Just click on it. So the first one, you have your favorite ones. So if I click on favorites, so these are my favorite instruments that I trade right here. You can see BTC, ETH, then EUR, USD, and so on. In case you don't know, I majorly trade crypto. That is why you have BTC and ETH at the top. But I also trade EUR, USD, and USD JPY. I also trade gold too. So that's why you have this right here as my favorite instrument. Now, let's, for example, you want to search for more instruments. Just click here. Just come here to where you have majors. This is where you can see other Forex pairs that you can trade. So you can see all of them right here. And if you want crypto, just come here to where you have crypto. So you can see the different crypto pairs that you have. And then let's say, for example, you want metals, that's gold, silver, and so on. You have them right here. And let's say, for example, maybe you want stocks. You also have stocks here. So you have stocks too. So there are different stocks that you can trade. So you can see that you have access to different instruments. And for those of you that also trade indices, you also have indices too. So you can see indices right here. You can also trade indices on this platform. So you have multiple instruments that you can trade right here. You have multiple options. So let's, for example, for this video, let's say I want to trade BTC. This is just for example. You can trade any pair of your choice. So this is BTC right here. I can just go ahead and click on it. So you can see right here, this is the chart for BTC, and I can go ahead and take my trades right here. So that's for the instruments. So let me just click on that. Now, after the instrument, you have economic calendar under it. So you can see where my cursor is. Just click on it. Now, this is where you see the latest things happening in the financial market. So you can see the latest things that will be happening today in the financial market. So if you keep scrolling down, so you can see for other dates right here. So in case you trade with the news, you can always use this feature for yourself. And then if you come here to where you have price alert, that's the next thing. Under price alert, this is where you can set alert for different prices. So let's say, for example, I want to set an alert to get a notification when the price of Bitcoin gets to, let's say, $64,000. I can just go ahead and set that alert right here. And then after that, you have the script editor. This is where you can actually create your own indicator from scratch. And then if you come to the last menu right here, this is where you have your settings. So you can do your settings right here. So these are the different menus you have at the left side of the screen. Now, if you come to the middle of the screen, this is where you have the chart, where you have the candlesticks, and you can do your analysis right here. Now, this chart you have right here and the tools you have on the left side of the screen, they are the same as what you have on TradingView. So if you're already used to what you do on TradingView, you can simply do that right here on Exness terminal. So you can simply carry out your analysis right here. You have all the tools right here on the left side of the screen. Now, if you come to the extreme right side of the screen, this is where you can now carry out your trade. This is where you can now use the one-click trading feature I talked about. Now, on this right side of the screen, you see that the first thing you see is where you have regular form, and beside it you have a drop-down arrow. So if I click on that drop-down arrow, you have regular form, one-click form, and risk calculator form. Now, this regular form, if I click on it, this is what you have on every platform out there, where you can enter all these details, your volume, that's your lot size, your take profit, your stop loss. And then if you come here and enter buy right here, you still have to confirm it right here and confirm other things. That's if you set your take profit and stop loss. And that's what I explained earlier, that if you do that, you might go ahead and miss your perfect entry point. So I'm not going to be using that. So let's, for example, you want to use the one-click trading, where you want to enter a trade at your own perfect entry point. Just come here to where you have the drop down arrow and click on one-click form. So that's the feature that is called the one-click trading. So I'll just click on it right there. Now, once you click on it, it will bring out this pop-up on your screen. Now, just come here and click on don't show again. That's if you don't want to see it again. But if you still want to be seeing it every day, just click on it. What it's just telling you is that once you enable this, anytime you click on buy or sell, the trade will go ahead immediately. It will be executed immediately at your perfect entry price. That's just the meaning. So once you've agreed with that and you don't want it to show again, just come here and click on yes, proceed. Now, the next thing is to pick your order type. So we have market and we have limits. For those of you that have been trading, I believe you should know the meaning right now. But for those of you that might not still understand what they actually mean, now if I'm picking market means that I want to enter the trade at the current price of the market, or at the current price of that pair. So let's, for example, I go ahead and click on maybe sell or buy. It means that I will enter the trade instantly at the current price of this BTC right here, of this pair. That's the meaning. But if I'm picking limit, this limit right here, it means that I will have to set my own price. That is the price I wish to enter the trade. So I'll be using the tool as a test in this video. So let's say, for example, I want to use market. For example, I'll just come here to market, and then the next thing is to go ahead and set your lot size. So let's say, for example, I want to use a lot size of 0.1. Just for example, I'll just go ahead and put in my lot size 0.1. So you can see with 0.1 leverage, I'm paying fees of $1, and the leverage I'm using is 400. Well, that's 1:400 right there. And then my margin is $15.89. So I'm just trading with about $15 right there. That's my margin for this trade. Now, let's for example, I want to go ahead and buy. You just come here and click on buy. Now, if I click on buy right there, the trade will be entered instantly. You can see it right here, positioned, opened, and you can see the trade. So this is the trade. So that is the meaning of one-click trading. It means that I'm entering the trade instantly. So there's nothing like maybe confirm your entry price, or they will tell you to confirm your take profit, your stop loss. All of those additional steps are taken away right there. That's just the meaning. So once you've entered the trade at your perfect entry point, if you now want to set your take profit or stop loss, it is simple. Just come here to where you have this, where you have T/P right there. Just click on add. So if I click on add right there, you can see my take profit and my stop loss. So let's say, for example, I want my take profit to be, let's say 63,000. Let me check the current price. So the current price is 63,554. So let's, for example, I want my take profit to be, let's say $63,900, just for example. And then my stop loss. So let's, for example, I want my stop loss to be $63,300 right there. So once you are good with that, just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on modify. So you can see my TP right here. You can see my stop loss. And this is where you can monitor how much you are making or losing. So you can see I'm currently in a profit of $0.3 right there. So that is how you can simply use the one-click trading form. Now that's for market order type. Now let's, for example, you want to use the limit order type. Just come here to where you have limits. And then right here on the screen, you see where you can set your open price. That is the price at which you want to enter the trade. Now, let's say, for example, you want to buy. Now, in case you don't know, buy means that you are predicting that the price is going up, and then sell means that you are predicting that the price is going down. Please take note of that. So let's say, for example, you want to buy. Now, if you are buying, it means that your open price, your limit open price should be lower than the current price on the market. So right now, the price of Bitcoin is 63,557. So that means that whatever price you are setting here must be lower than this price. That's the meaning. That's if you are buying. But let's say, for example, you want to sell. Whatever price you set right here as your open price should be higher than the current price of the market. Please take note of these two things I've just said right now. So let's, for example, I want to go ahead and buy. Just for example, that means that the price right here, the open price, should be lower than the current price of the market. So let's, for example, I've done my analysis and then I want to enter the trade at, let's say, right now is $63,539. So let's, for example, I want to enter the trade when it comes down to, let's say, $63,200 right there. You can see it. So it is obviously lower than the current price. So that means that it is until when the price of Bitcoin goes down to this price, that is when I can enter the trade. And then once you've done that, you come here and enter your lot size. So let's say, for example, I want to use 0.1 lot size. It will show you your margin again. That is the amount you're using for this trade. It's the same thing, $15.89. Don't forget, the higher your lot size, the higher the margin you use. So if I change it to, let's say, 1 lot size right there, so you can see my margin will now be $158. So take note of that. So let's, for example, I want to use 0.1. I'll just go ahead, put it right there, and then I click on buy. So if I click on buy, you can see pending order placed. You can see it at the bottom here. So that means it's a pending order. So if I click on pending right here, so you can see it is there. So it is until when the price of Bitcoin comes down to $63,200, that is when I can now enter the trade, and then to be under this open order right there. So you can see it right there. That is the simple way to use this one-click form, whether you're using market or limit order. So now that you've seen this, why exactly does this matter in your trading journey? Now, it is simply because of speed. Now, in trading, speed is very, very important, because you need to know that this financial market are fast market, and the difference between clicking once and clicking 5 times before you enter trade is literally the difference between getting into a trade at your own preferred entry price. It is very, very important. And the second reason why this matters is that for every second click you do, you are just giving yourself a chance to make random decisions that might eventually affect your trade. But if you are using one-click trading, once you click on buy or sell, it enters the trade. As long as you've done your analysis before entering that trade, you will definitely be satisfied that you entered the trade at your own preferred entry point. So that's simply how to use the one-click trading feature on Exness. And to be very honest with you, I think every trader should be using this feature right there. If you are serious about speed when it comes to trading, you should be using this feature right here. And if you want to get started and you want to try this out, don't forget the link is in the description below. Just click on the first link in the description below, or the link in the pinned comment of this video, and go ahead and try out the Exness one-click trading on the Exness terminal page. And by the way, you can use your demo account on this too. You don't need to use your real account. So you can see right here, this is my own real account. So let's say, for example, I want to use the demo account. Just come here on this drop down arrow, and then you can see your demo account. So you can click on any demo account that you have right there, and once you click on it, you can use the demo account to actually carry out your trade, just to test it out. So that is all for this video. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you in the next one. Bye.